Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss Essay 1 revision of chapter Applications of Trigonometry class 10. If you didn't watch the previous videos of Essay 1 revision, the link is in the description as well as in the comments. Please check it. A boy observed the top of an electric pole at an angle of elevation 60 degrees when the observation point is 8 meters away from the foot of the pole. Find the height of the pole. Okay. A boy observed the top of an electric pole. So this is electric pole at an angle of elevation of 60 degrees. From some point, one boy is observing the top of the electric pole with 60 degrees. When the observation point is 8 meters away from the foot of the pole, this is observation and this is foot of the pole. So this two distance is given as 8 meters and this is angle of elevation 60 degrees. Then he is asking to find out the height of the pole. Okay, now observe this angle. For this angle, height will become opposite and this 8 meters will become adjacent. So opposite and adjacent, related to this we have two trigonometric ratios, one is tan and one is cot. So whether you will go with the tan or cot, both having the same answer only, you will get, no worries. So now if I am taking tan 60 equals to opposite h divided by adjacent 8. Tan 60 root 3 equals to h by 8. Taking 8 to the left side, here it is division, if you take another side it will become multiplication. So 8 into root 3 is equals to height. We are finding height, so definitely units are must and should. Here units are meters, so this will also meters. So height of the tower, height of the pole is 8 root 3 meters. Length of the shadow of a 15 meters high pole. Pole is a vertical line. Shadow will be always horizontal on the ground. Okay. Length of the shadow of a 15 meter height pole. So pole height is given as 15 meters and shadow length is given as 15 root 3. So 15 root 3 meters at 8 o'clock in the morning. Then what is the angle of elevation? So if we join it, we will get one angle here. That angle he is speaking about. Now observe this. For this angle, this will become opposite and this will become adjacent. So opposite and adjacent, we have two trigonometric ratios. One is tan and one is cot. So I am going with the tan. Tan theta equals to opposite 15 divided by adjacent 15 root 3. In the numerator as well as denominator, 15 will get cancelled. So we remains with tan theta equals to 1 divided by root 3. In tan, which angle is 1 by root 3? That is 30 degrees. So theta value is 30 degrees. An observer of height 1.8 meter. One boy whose height is 1.8 meters is 13.2 meter away from a palm tree. So somewhere here one palm tree is there. This observer is 13.2 meters away from that palm tree. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree from his eyes. So these are his eyes. From here, angle of elevation to the top of the tree is 45 degrees. Then he is asking to find out the height of the palm tree. So now what I will do is, from the observer eyes, I will join one horizontal line to the base exactly. So this angle is given as 45 degrees. This base is 13.2 meters. Then definitely this also will be 13.2 meters. 13.2 meters. Okay, now from here to here this is 1.8 meters. So definitely from here to here also it will be 1.8 meters only. Then this we need to find out now. Coming to this upper triangle, just which is highlighted in red color now. This is angle. This will become opposite and this will become adjacent. So opposite and adjacent, we will be having tan and cot. So I am going with the tan. Tan 45 equals to opposite unknown. So I am taking some x divided by adjacent is 13.2. Tan 45 1 equals to x divided by 13.2. Take 13.2 the left side. So x value will be 13.2 meters. So this x we got it as 13.2 meters. But in the question he is asking to find out the height of the palm tree, right? So palm tree is this total, this one, total palm tree only. Right, so we got that x value as 13.2. This down already we know it is 1.8. So let us add both. Height of palm tree equals to we got the answer 13.2 meters plus already the previous one 1.8 meters. So if we add both we will get 15 meters. So the height of the palm tree is 15 meters. Next, two men on either side of a temple. Here one temple, left side one person and right side one person. We will draw one horizon. Okay. Two men on either side of a temple of 30 meters height. Temple height is given as 30 meters. Observe its top at the angle of elevation 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. One observer is observing the top of the temple with 30 degrees and the second observer is observing the top with 60 degrees angle. Then find the distance between two men. This is one observer and this is the second observer, right? We need to find out the total distance in between those two persons. So what I will do is I will separate this total figure into two triangles. One is right side triangle and left side triangle. That will be very easy to calculate. So that's why this I am taking as the first triangle base till here. I am taking as some x. And coming to this right side part, I am shading with black color. This I am taking as second triangle base, that is y. Now let us solve the first one. I mean left side triangle. This is angle. This will become opposite and this will become adjacent. Opposite and adjacent. So we will use tan. Tan 30 equals to opposite 30 divided by adjacent x. Tan 30 1 by root 3 equals to 30 by x. Doing cross multiplication, 1 into x, x equals to 30 into root 3, 30 root 3. That is, again units also important, right? So this is meters, so this is also meters. Left side triangle completed. Now coming to the right side part. This is angle. For this angle this will become opposite and this will become adjacent, right? So again tan only, but angle is different this time. So tan 60 equals to opposite 30 divided by adjacent y. So tan 60 root 3 equals to 30 divided by y. I will take this y to the left side, so that will become root 3y equals to 30. Take this root 3 to the right side, it will become division. So y equals to 30 divided by root 3. Next, root 3 should not be there in the denominator, so that is the reason I am doing rationalizing factor, multiplying and dividing by root 3 by root 3. 30 into root 3, 30 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 ones are 3 tens are. So y value is 10 root 3 meters. This x we got it as 30 root 3 meters and this y we got it as 10 root 3 meters. Now we need to find out the total distance between two observations, two observers, right? So x value, y value, if I add, I will get the final answer. So x plus y equals to x value we got as 30 root 3 plus y we got it as 10 root 3. 30 root 3 plus 10 root 3 equals to 40 root 3 meters. Coming to the next question. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower. So in this, two objects are there. One is building and one is tower. So let us draw it. Building, you need to draw a little smaller than the tower. So just for clarity, I am writing it here tower. Then this is building. According to our total textbook, all questions, tower is always bigger than the building. Just remember that. So bases we will join, we will get a land, ground or horizontal line. Okay, now coming to the question again. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower. This is foot of the tower from here to top of the building. That is given as 30 degrees. Okay, next. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower, this is top of the tower, from the foot of the building. So this is foot of the building. This is given as 60 degrees. Then, if the tower is 30 meters height, tower height is also given for our convenient, I think so. So 30 meters. Then find the height of the building. This height of the building he is asking. Okay, now we got the figure. So let us forget about the question now. Okay, coming to this one. In this, we can separate total figure as two triangles. So let us check what are those two triangles. I am shading a little thicker for convenience. This is a triangle. First triangle, I mean. First triangle. Okay, observe this first triangle only clearly. For this angle, this will become opposite and this base will become adjacent, right? So let us apply tan. Tan 60 equals to opposite is tower height, that is 30 meters, divided by adjacent. Here adjacent is nothing but base of this, right? So that is not given, so I am taking it as some x. So x. Let us simplify this first. Tan 60 equals to root 3, that is equals to 30 divided by x, taking x to the left side. Root 3x equals to 30, taking root 3 to the right side. X equals to 30 divided by root 3. Already we know the basic concept, that is multiplying and dividing by root 3 again. 30 into root 3, 30 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 ones are 3 tens are. So we got the answer as 10 root 3 meters. What is that? X value. So this is 10 root 3. Okay, now coming to the another triangle. Let us focus on the second triangle only now, that is smaller triangle. This one, this, this and this. Yes, got it. Okay, now for this smaller triangle, if you observe clearly, this is angle, building height will become opposite and this x will become adjacent. So we need to apply tan 30, correct. So let us apply tan 30. Tan 30 equals to opposite building, we don't know, so I am writing just building height, divided by adjacent is x. Tan 30 1 by root 3 equals to building height, I don't know, so I am taking some alphabet y. Y divided by x value, we got it as 10 root 3. Left side denominator, right side denominator, root 3 will get cancelled. Then we remains with 1 equals to y by 10. Taking 10 to the left side, it will become multiplication. So y equals to 10 ones are 10, 10 meters. Here y is nothing but height of the building. So height of the building is 10 meters. Here, if you feel that this is not a correct, I mean, you are unable to understand or you are unable to solve like that, something means just go with the cross multiplication. Anyway, root 3 will get cancelled.